Manual, in some cases we need to do manual summarization, as I mentioned that sometime you want to make your routing table small, because it can, if you have a larger routing table, it can take more memory or CPU utilization. EIGRP can be configured to summarize the routes whether or not this auto summarization is enabled or not. Because EIGRP is a classless routing protocol and it includes the subnet mask in the routing table. Manual summarization can include the supernet routes. Supernet is an aggregation of the multiple major classful network. So supernet or a summary, this is how we can configure. So you see, let's say we have three network, 1.0, 2.0, 3 networks. Okay. Now, when we create the binary, when we convert them into the binary, this is our binary. So you see, up to here, there is some commonality. But 1, 2, 3, you see this 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So basically, wherever there is a common figure, we actually do the summarization here. So these are not the common bits, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So the common bits are here, right? So from here, what we can do, we can advertise, rather than ever we advertise all the three network. If even you have already advertised them in the network, on the serial interface, you say, for example, IP summary address EIGRP this, it automatically send a summary route and not these routes into the routing table. But you can still reachable. Okay. So in our case, actually, right now we have configured. These are the networks we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me see if I want to do summary. So this is the, so let me configure the this. So you can see right now I have advertised them. You see, You can see this because on this operating system, we have auto summary enable, and that is why we are getting the route only for this route. If you want to get the real routes actually on the other side, what you can do is you need to do the 10 no auto summary. And now you will see, because the auto summary is enabled on this operating system, on this router, which is 1841, okay, that is why I'm not advertising all these routes. Now you can see, previously we were just getting the /8 because summary was also enabled. So it automatically summarized that. But now you can see I'm getting all the 4 routes here. Okay. Now, if you don't want to do this 4 routes, so you don't want to receive it, what can you do? So we have this way you can do auto summarization. You know, subnetting, we are taking the subnet from the host portion. Remember, in the summarization, we take the so for example, we have 1. How we can write 1? Yeah, sorry, this is 1 in the binary format. Sorry, 1 0. 3 will be okay. Yeah. So where is the common boundary? You see, we need to find the common boundary between them. So this up to here, there is no common boundary. Up to here, you see. So basically, how many bits we are going away? So /24. So /24 minus 3. Yeah. So now we need to advertise this network into our Mohammed, unmuted yourself. Interface fast 0/0 IP EIGRP IP summary address EIGRP 10 and subnet mask will be this is 255, right? Okay, but I don't want to run 255. I will do -3. So 255, then /21. So that's the command I have given on my interface. Interface we have where we have enabled the OSPF EIGRP. On this interface, I'm went into the interface IP summary route address EIGRP 10 8575, and I said -3 will be 248. Now, if you go into the now here, right now you see there are 4 subnets. Now, how many we are receiving now? I'm not receiving /24. So that previously I was receiving 4 routes, but with the summary now, I am just receiving 1 route. But I can still able to reach all the networks. See 1.2, 2.1. Okay, I can reach all the networks with just a summary route. So summary, this is called manual summary. So basically in the subnetting, we do the summarization on the, we take the bits on the right side. Now we are writing the uncommon bits and we are just saying, for example, these 3 bits are uncommon and these 3. So which mean how many bits we need to taken away. So 24 minus 3 because other 3 are common. So these are the common boundary we have. Okay. So which mean the common boundary mean the 3 bits we need to sacrifice. Okay, because these are uncommon. So slash 21 will be the summary route we need to advertise. And you can see the magically we can reach all the network from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the networks we have. But rather than we advertise all of them, we are still advertising them, but we are also advertising the summary route. So rather than this router advertise all the 4 route, it just advertise 1 route. But the connectivity is still there. Connectivity has no problem. You can see slash 21. Sorry, 75. See slash 21 we are receiving. Okay. So this is called summarization.